Jana I don't think ni kuna mwingine.
Guys, people just people just betraying us like that. To discuss on this thing, so I didn't have an intro. I think that time I was late. I was late, but I don't know, somehow late, I don't know. So I did literally kept too much with intros, so let's just start the vlog. Let me tell you one thing. That room at that time was literally so dirty, so messed up. So please just ignore that mess. Just watch me, okay? I'm the star of the show, so ignore it. Just ignore it. Just ignore. Actually, I'm not that late, but I'm somehow late. So I don't know how to explain it at all. By the way, did you see the vlog that I just removed? Like literally, don't know when, because I'm past Hassan and that time I'll be futuristic Hassan. So do you see that room? Worst. What English is that? Worst. Yeah. Let's just get prepared because I don't know even what I'm going to wear. So now I'm put you to bed because my phone is literally 27. I'm going to vlog out there. Sick. It's literally 25. Now it's 1:55. Oh, dude, you better go and sleep. You better go and sleep. Well, maybe I'm South African. This is outfit number 1. How do you feel? I see it. I don't think I'm likely to wear this because the weight is not matching with this and somehow too hot to wear this, but you know you can do anything for fashion. So I really don't know if this is good or bad, or don't know what it is, because I'm going to accessorize. I'm going to wear everything and I can just remove it, and it's white and that place is muddy. Don't know if I'll cover it because I want to wear that one there because I think it's summer. Because I remember that day because somebody's here now. Ndio nimefatwa. So nimefatwa. I literally knew that. I've seen Nam. This green one, I think now I'm literally looking like shit. Just don't know the white. Yeah, it's not matching the white wear, but the dark one is literally giving some vibes that it's not giving the like summer vibes, but people just wearing their things. So I've now wear mine too. So now let me just wear, like, apply lotion, just do everything like that. Cause well, it's literally stressing. It's stressing. It's so bad. Go. Literally, I can't even tell my mom that I'm going, but I'm not like literally get her permission. So why are we always in this situation? Like every time you should go and tell your mom the permission. Like every freaking time you're going somewhere without your mom's permission. Dude, one time I'm telling you, but there are you. You're not going anywhere without your mom's permission. So go there. Let's see what you're gonna see. Please, mom. This is my only chance to go out being independent. Wallahi, mom, I was almost forget the man. Mom, just give me this moment. I want to go and enjoy and have some fun. I only live once. Please. I only live once. So you can see me, but I'm literally late. It's literally 2:31. So I'm literally getting out of the house now. Now I want to lock the door. Then I go to my mom's shop. Okay, hey, she says things I'm carrying. First is my chair, what I'm carrying, and I don't know how that's gonna happen. So I'm going. The bag is red. Then I just want to spend time by here. Sema hello.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Sema hello.
Jana I don't think ni kuna mwingine.
Basically what is happening in that footage is that me and my friends decided to go to the other people who we like, how should I explain this? We like invited them. I don't invite them. I don't know the right word of using it. But we went to their houses because we waited at the meeting spot and no one never came. It was the only 4 of us. But there was this one dude who came, but he went back home. Like literally, you came, then you go. I don't know, because of some friend issues that I can't say online. But we went to Tanini girl's home. Then my friend's home. Sorry, we went to my friend's home. Then she said that she couldn't go because of she had a hair appointment. But for real, you could have told us earlier so we could like get you out of the plan. But happened. And this is when the disaster is starting to come. Like this is when the disaster is coming. So let's prepare to have fun. Actually, so I'm going to call another person because I need to. Yes, I literally don't know their house. Let's try to go here. I don't know their house. I don't know where they're living. It's me, I'm back again. So in this other footage that I took is that I went to that person who was scared. I don't know who was scared, or I literally don't know, but the one who came but didn't show up in the meeting spot, and he came, then he went back, the other person. So we went to his house. So I was the one who was going to the house, and that time I forgot where they were living, so I went back. Then I came, then I found out that the door was locked. So we went like that. So and it was like he was my only option for being another like dude over there. I was the only dude over there, so I just went. Where should I not go? Because I was the one who literally made this idea of going to the beach. I don't know it's the beach, I don't know it's what. So I was the one, so I couldn't not go. So I just went, and some people literally rejected, said, "Oh no, I can't make it. Oh no, I don't know what." But we just went for. But thank God that we went, then came back safely, because we went there. Oh my God, I'm spending too much. So you can finish it for yourself. So bye. Umekula cha bati. Nini? Si ndio, kwani ukumbuka? Maluleka Wonga is caught on camera. Sieta kucheka, sasa ni mjinga gani? Guys, people just Wait. People just betraying us like that. Go to one place. Israel boy, let I think it. Oh, I'm here to a guy. I'm opening to a guy. Okay.
Sasa naleta kuongeza.
Leo blanket ikiwa kwa squat bone.
Tia hapo. Kama sio this is one. Sasa mimi one.
Chega sisi. Sikile kutecho.
Hawataki. Shamim. Alipaka macho.
Remember in the vlog when I told you that my phone was like 27? Yeah, at that very moment my phone died. Like that, it was one, so it died. So what we did next is that we went that exact moment we went back we went back home, right? So on our way home we started just talking, you know. So this part of the session that we're talking, we were saying that how did you imagine the like picnic would go? So everybody was giving his or her decision, meaning me, myself, and her, because so we were having the funniest nini, they call it imaginations. So first thing we're doing TikToks, I don't know, blah blah blah. So never happened, but we literally had some fun walking, going, knowing the people. So that's the end of the vlog, and see you till I don't know when. Oh, so I'm giving you this, and I'll be not posting. I don't know, I'm telling this because I'm telling no one else. I'm telling 44. Okay, doing those 45 views that they're watching this video, that there'll be no. I'll post again, but I'm doing a December holiday vlog, which like will take like the whole 31 days. Or I don't know if I start on this November, but. So I'll be not posting much about this, but I'll see you when the right time is back. So, au revoir.